Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to migrate WordPress website to new domain in Hostinger. So we will use the Hostinger copy website functionality and our website will be transferred within 5 minutes. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website and today we are going to migrate this WordPress website to a new domain on Hostinger. So to do this, first of all we need to log into our Hostinger hPanel. Now on the Hostinger hPanel, here we will see the hosting section. Click on manage next to your web hosting. Now from the left menu on the top you will see the website name. Click on this drop down and select the site that you want to migrate to the new domain. So I will select my website. Now again from the left menu click on website option and here you will see a copy website option. Just click on it. Now our first website is selected. And now we will select the destination where we want to copy our website. So I will click on this drop down and select the domain where I want to migrate this website. Click start copying, click I understand and start copying anyway. And as you can see that copying is now in progress. It will take a little bit time, but it depends on the size of your WordPress website. So you can close it from here. And after 10 to 15 minutes, you can refresh it. Currently, the status is copying file and databases, and we will refresh it after around 5 to 10 minutes. So let's refresh it now. And as you can see, that status is changed to converted. So now if I go to my domain where I have copied my website and refresh it, and here we will see the same WordPress website that we have copied from another domain. So this is how you can migrate your WordPress website to a new domain in Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.